we're meal prepping chicken salads for lunch so we don't have to spend any money throughout the week. Let's get into it. First up, cucumber. Ta-da! Next up, carrots. Ta-da! Next up, onion. Ta-da! Next up, pepper. Ta-da! Next up, tomato. Ta-da! Next up, lettuce. Now mix it together. Ta-da! We are adding chicken to it, so let me bake this and I'll be right back. Distribute it between your meal prep containers. Ta-da! Lastly, add your chicken and top with homemade honey mustard. This honey mustard recipe is on my page. Let me know if you make it. Bye!